up, YouTube? It's your girl Muta.Mula, back again with another video, and I'm going to retwist my brother's hair today. He wants it retwisted. It's been about
2 months.
2 months. Yeah, he's 6 months now in his lock journey, and I don't know if he wants it styled, but I know I'm going to detox it, I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to retwist it. So y'all stay tuned in to see the final result by the end of the video. Let's get it. Alright y'all, as y'all can see, this is his hair before the wash. It is very dry. It has a lot of dirt and residue in it, so I'm just going to detox it and wash it before we start the retwist. Alright guys, for this detox, I will be using apple cider vinegar and baking soda to cleanse his hair. Right now I'm just pouring the apple cider vinegar into the lukewarm to hot water, and then I will be placing the baking soda on top of his locks, so it'll be better for it to cleanse the hair and let all the buildup come out easier. Right here I am just pouring some of that ACV water over his locks with the baking soda, just so it can get to his scalp and really cleanse the hair. Normally if I had a deeper sink, you would see the locks soaking, but right here I just had to make it work with what I had, so I used the cup and just kept pouring it over his hair and trying to squeeze out the dirt. But this is what I did for about 10 minutes to really loosen up the dirt in his hair before I washed it.
But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be.
Alright, his hair is all detoxed and washed. I'm just showing y'all the finished result after detoxing and washing it. It doesn't have that white tint anymore. It looks very soft and very refreshed to start to retwist. Right, y'all, this is what a basic retwist looks like in the end. He wanted it styled, so this is not how it looked after, but this is how it would be if you just stopped after you blow dried the hair and took the clips out.
Close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnets just so they not collecting my specimens down.
It's Big Bro checking in, man. You see my little sister done got me right with the retwist and the style. I just really let her style however she wanted, but I'm a fan. I am a fan. It looks nice. You feel me? She snapped, so hey, y'all boys get at her. Hair on a swivel. It's gonna be in the description, probably on the screen. You know, she gonna do what it do. So, oh, we out.
All right, y'all, this is the finished product. Y'all see it's giving 4PF, it's giving Lil Baby, it's giving Jerky-O, Smirky-O.
I don't like that reference.
Okay, anyways, he got himself a haircut, so it looked good. Turn around to the back, turn around, show real quick. Oh, okay, well.
Probably out of the screen.
Yeah, just a little bit, All right, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so y'all get a notification every time that I post. And it's Muta.Mula, and we go.